Okay guys, so this is pretty much what I'm working with. No edges, as you can see. I have hair, but I have no edges. Hey guys, it's Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today, sis, with something really special. It is a half wig and headband haul for those who have thinning edges, no edges, or very sparse hairs. And sis, this right here is just an illusion. I took some of the hair from this wig, I swooped it around so that it looked like it's my hair. Some wonderful options that would allow us to also be able to wear the half wigs with the headbands and the headband wigs. So if you don't have any edges, no worries. We still gonna be cute. So you wanna go on this journey with me? This is going to be part 1 of a 3-part series on headbands and half wigs. All right, you ready? Come on, girl, let's get on board of this train, because this headband train then took off. So we not finna get left behind just because we ain't got no edges. So let's go. Okay guys, so what I'm planning to do is, instead of French braiding my hair, I'm just going to use this edge booster styling gel, and I'm just going to slick my hair back into one ponytail and conceal it in the back. So this is what it's looking like. Now I'm going to take my wig grip. You guys know that I never leave home without a wig grip. If I wear a wig, never. And that's going to help to hold that half wig securely in place and prevent me from having to use the combs. We'll talk more about that later. This is Sensationnel Jolette, and I have her in the color T2BG. And again, those combs, never use them. They're the devil. Alright, so this is the first set of headbands that I want to show you guys. They are by a company, Eaone. I ordered all the headbands you're going to see I got from Amazon. These came in a pack of 22 headbands, Boho Headbands, and I paid $15.99 for them. So if you're wanting a lot of headbands in a variety of colors for the money, then these are perfect for that. They're not extremely high quality. I think they're made out of like polyester type of material, but they are wide and they do get the job done for what we need in order to conceal our thinning hairlines. So yeah, I really do like them. I would recommend them. So I'm just going to show you a few of the different styles here and how I was able to, you know, work them out to where you pull them to the front of the wig, and then you want to, they're crisscross, so you want to spread them apart in order to make the headband wider, and then that way you're able to pull it down on the front of your hairline to conceal your edges but still make it look really nice and natural. Now the key is, guys, when you're ordering these headbands, you want to get them, the crisscross ones, at least 2.5 inches wide, so that way you can pull them apart and expand them wider. Otherwise, you want to go with ones that are 4 inches or larger, and that way you'll have plenty of room to be able to spread them wide. Now this unit here is by Outre, and this is the Beach Curl 24-inch in the color 1B, and I absolutely love this unit. I think that it will last for quite some time, but girl, look at the curls on her. She is beautiful. Okay, now these headbands that I'm going to show you are by Catery. Oh my goodness, these are my favorites. Like, I love these, and you're going to see my face brighten up. The material on them, the quality, the width of them, they are so soft and comfortable. If you don't get nothing else, girl, get these. But these are by Catery. They're the vintage 4-pack Boho Headbands, and I paid $12.66 for them. And girl, look how cute they are. Oh my gosh, I love these headbands. Another really nice thing about this particular headband is they're wide all the way around. So the other ones had like the elastic in the back. These are wide and you can spread them out in the front and in the back, allowing you to pull the hair up into a ponytail. So they're phenomenal. I really like these headbands. And excuse me, ma'am. Just keep watching. How cute is this flipping wig? Girl, get your life. That is so cute. So then I'm going to show you. You can kind of just flop it up on the top of your head in a top pony there. Or you can make it more of a messy bun. And also, you guys, I pulled the headband down over my ears, and that's the look too. But just look at this. She cute. Okay, so let's talk about the combs and half wigs. Now, in the older style half wigs, they come with a huge comb across the front and a comb across the back. Now, that comb across the front, you guys, I really believe that's how I lost my edges. My hair is already very thin, but I wore half wigs for years after I decided to stop wearing weaves and braids because it was so much easier just to throw on a half wig. And I wasn't like very knowledgeable about the damage that combs on wigs can do at that time, back in those days. And I really do believe that's what pulled my hair off from my edges. So queens, I'm not telling you what I heard, I'm telling you what I know. I've been in these wig wearing streets for years. Save your edges, get you some sort of wig grip, and live your best life. You're welcome. Okay, now these headbands, you all, I really like these too. These are by a company called Ritoper. And they're called the Ritoper Bandana Headbands with Rhinestones. They come in a 4-pack, and I got the color B4 Diamond Solid. And I paid $12.99 for them. And they are very comfy. Very comfy. They're nice quality, and I love those rhinestones on it. I love how wide they are. And you can kind of like scrunch them. You can either wear it wide or you can scrunch it up. And I'm going to show you right here what I'm talking about. See how you can kind of pull that forward and scrunch it forward. And they are gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, now this is Outre Jeanette. And look at her, baby. Them curls are luscious. I got her in the color S1B30. And oh, you could do so many styles with her. This wig I really like. You can wear it, you know, like yes, look at me. I'm like, oh girl, this is cute. If I had some hair in the front, baby, I will pull that hair out, slick it up in the front of that, and but we're gonna throw on these beautiful headbands instead. Now these are another set of really nice, you guys, I found some great headbands. I'm telling you, I really lucked out. These are really nice too. I like these because they're 5.9 inches wide. Look how cute it is. These are by a company called Woeoe, R-O-E-O-E, and they're called Woeoe African Headbands. They came in a 4-pack, and these were $14.66. And see, I like how you can switch the back around to the front and it's still a look. Because that little piece there, you saw me just shift it from the back. And see, look how nice and wide that is. You can do the pineapple style. Girl, these are just really cute. They're nice and soft. And I think, you know, all of these headbands, I think, will last a really good time. So they're very nice quality for a very reasonable or economical price, aka cheap. Y'all, don't mind my gray hairs back in my kitchen back there. when I turn around. Just mind your businesses. Them bad boys never stay slicked up. Now this headband is by a company, Jaciya, Jaciya. It came in a 6-pack, and they are knotted headbands. Now they have like they're like a regular headband that just goes, see that, halfway across, like a partial headband, but they are padded with velvet on the inside, which is really nice. Now the issue that I had with these is if I wanted to wear them all the way forward like that on my hairline, I needed to put like some kind of hairpin to hold it in place if I was going to wear it forward like that. So I picked like a hairpin that had a little pearl on it so that it would match the polka dots in the bandana. Now this beautiful headband is our grand finale. I paid $15.99 and it is by a company called Flyard. Okay, sis, so I really wanted to wear my rhinestone headband, and you know how sparse and thin my hair is. So I tried to take some out, and I'm just trying to do the old man swoop over to kind of cover up my thinning spots, or my bald spots, or whatever you want to call it. And hoping that I have enough hair to kind of conceal things and make it still look like this wave pattern up under that headband. So let's see how it goes. So I'm planning on sitting that headband right above here. And this is kind of what I'm going to try to do. I don't think it's going to look too horrible, because I think that my hair is frizzy enough that it looks close enough to this hair to make it look somewhat believable. So what you think? I wasn't really feeling that. I felt like my hair was still too thin. So what I did was took some of the hair from the wig and I pulled it forward and swooped to make it look thicker in that front hairline. I'm just sitting that headband right on top of that half wig line, right where it starts. Well, that's what I'm going with. Alright sis, so that pretty much does it for me. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I hope that I've shown you that it doesn't matter if you have thinning edges, no edges, if you're, dealing with alopecia, whatever issue you might have. It doesn't mean you can't do a wig band, wig, or a half wig with the wig band. Girl, if you want that wig, buy it and make it happen. Alright, so let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. This is going to be part 1 of probably a 3-part series. You all, I went ham on the headbands. So every time you see me, trust and believe, sis gonna have a headband on somewhere in that video, because I have so many. I can't wait to do one where I'm going to be featuring all like dress up headbands that are all jeweled and rhinestone kind of headbands. So stay tuned for that. And you all, I hope you have a very blessed day. I am so happy that I jumped on the headband bandwagon. So woo woo, thinning edges doesn't matter. We here, sis, and we're staying. So come on and get on board with me. All right, guys, I love you all bunches. And remember, sis, what I always say, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today. This is Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Go buy them headbands and do what you got to do, girl. Bye. Mwah.